Welcome back, YouTubers. So we got some more of these handbag pins. We enjoyed opening them up the last time we were here. This bag's Kylie's, this one's Kenzie's, this one is mine, and then we also got one of these little magical mystery pins. I've never opened them up. I'm hoping to get a few more next time. Here are the pins you can get. There's 6 different designs. We're hoping for Donald Duck, of course. Or Chippendale would be nice.
Yeah, I like Chippendale.
Alright. So we're going to open this one up right now. And we got Goofy, which is cool because I collect Goofy.
You can have him, Mama.
He's cute. I don't have this pin.
You can have it.
Alright, so this is the handbag pins. There are 16 different designs. You get 5 in each bag. And we're going to go over the designs real fast. Mary Poppins. That is, who's that, Kylie?
Mary Poppins.
No, that one.
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. And that one is the fairies from Sleeping Beauty.
I'm hoping for
Alice, Tinkerbell.
I was hoping
Elsa. Anna. Who's that one, Kens?
Aurora.
Rapunzel. Cinderella. Maleficent. Come on, girls.
Jasmine. Ariel. Ursula. Snow White. And Belle.
Okay, good job. Okay, this one's Kylie, so I'm going to open it up. First 5 pins. There we go. Ooh, Cinderella. I have not seen that one yet. That is very pretty.
I like Cinderella.
Alright, and the next one is Rapunzel. I really like all the flowers on the handle.
Why is it pretty?
And then this part is really shiny and sparkly. It's very, very pretty.
Hair.
And then here's the fairies. And then Alice. Do you have this one, Kai? You already have that one. Okay. And then Minnie Mouse. Do you already have that one? Alright.
I have it.
Okay, Kenzie, let's open up your bag. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh, Elsa. Do you have that one?
No.
Awesome. Snow White. You'll have to trade with maybe somebody else because you already have it. Anna.
I have one already.
Ursula. You don't have that one. And Tinkerbell.
Wow.
Alright, my turn.
Yeah.
Let's see what we get.
I'll keep this like
Alright, first one is the fairies handbag. I already have that one. I do not have Ariel. Kylie does. That's awesome. Ooh, Maleficent. I really like that one. Ooh, Mary Poppins. I have not seen this one yet. I like... Don't shake the thing. I really like the little bird in there. He's cute.
What bird?
He's from the movie. And Belle. We have this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That was awesome. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, by the way, I bought these pins from Save Some More off of eBay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.